What is up, my spooky babes and ghouls? So today we're gonna be filming a goth makeup look. It's one of the looks I have done previously. I posted a picture on Instagram. I'll put the photo up here, and I really like the eye look, so I want to recreate it for today's video and show you guys how I did it. I think I basically got like the inspiration or like recreated a look I saw on Pinterest. I'll put a picture up here. I really like the eye look. I don't know who did it. I'll try to maybe find who was the original poster of the picture, and I'll put their Instagram tag name below the photo. But yeah, so I saw it on Pinterest randomly and I really liked it. I have it like saved in my makeup folder, so yeah. Also check out my background. This is what it has so far. I kind of want to get put a black background or something. Not too crazy about white, but we'll see. I might decorate it. I forgot to show my little bat light right there. I'm probably gonna be blocking it most of the video anyways. So I already have my base makeup down. I already have my primer, foundation, concealer, powder. I just need to contour my eyes, my brows, my lips. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much what I'm gonna be showing you guys on camera. I might do a foundation video separately one of these days. I do want to get like a white face powder. I don't have one yet, so I was probably gonna wait to like swing my spirit. I know they have white face powders, but I'll definitely go into like more detail about what I use for my face, what kind of like foundation I use, concealer, whatever, in a separate video. But I'll save that for a different day. So yeah, so let's get started. So for the eyes, I'm gonna be using the KVD Beauty Shade and Light Eyeshadow Quad and Smoke. I've used this in like a bunch of different videos before in the past. It's my favorite, and I don't know what I'm gonna do when I do run out of the eyeshadows in here because I really do love them. We're gonna be diving into the white shade of the palette and basically be applying it all over my eyelids, kind of creating like a wing shaped base already. Okay, so next I'm diving into the gray shade of the palette, and I'm basically going to be applying it pretty much like all over my eyelid, kind of even like up to like the base of my brows right here at the front of them. I'm going to be applying it kind of like all the way down my nose right here. We're not going to apply it so much over here on the inner corners of the eyes. We're going to try to like avoid this part right here. Kind of want to create like a bit of a crease right above this spot right here. And then I'm also going to be adding some gray eyeshadow over here and winging it out as well. I don't think I'm going to be adding any underneath my eye. I think this is going to be all black, but I did add a little bit of white when I was adding some white eyeshadow on top of my eyelid, just so I can get like a base down there as well. But basically, so we're applying gray eyeshadow here, making a crease, and on the outer corner of my eye. Diving into the black shade of the palette, I'm gonna be adding a little bit to darken up the edges of like the nose contour, I guess, and I'll be basically creating like a thick wing with the black and blending it into the center of the eyelid. We're not gonna blend it to the inner corners of the eyelid, but maybe kind of like right around here where like the gray already is. So yeah, I might add the eyeliner after this. But yeah, but basically you're recreating a thick wing. KVD Anti-Precision Eyeliner Pencil, and I'm basically going to be darkening up the black eyeshadow I had just added. Be adding it mainly on the corners and blending it a little bit onto the center of the eyelid. adding the eyeliner onto my waterline and smudging it out a little bit as well. Kind of want it to mostly look like a clean black line though, so I'm gonna try to keep it as smooth as I can. I'll probably have to go over it a little bit with my angled brush and some black eyeshadow to clean it up. Okay, so I'm gonna do my eyebrows first. Usually I save them for last, like after like finishing the whole eye look, but the eyebrows kind of connected with the eyeliner, so I want to get my eyebrows down first. Basically, I'm gonna be drawing them high, arched, and thin. I'm gonna also be dragging the line down the nose as well, kind of along the line that we made with the shadow, and then later we'll be connecting it. Right here, the inner corner eye makeup. I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipper pomade in Jet. This is like, I think this is their blackest black eyebrow pomade that they have. And I'm using a small angle brush. This is actually my favorite small angle brush from Anastasia. This one, I'm not sure. This one doesn't have a number. It used to, but I think it rubbed off. It looks like it's a number 15 brush. It's very small angled and it's very thin. I think it's perfect for doing really thin eyebrows, goth eyebrows. Might have to get another brush because I just love this one so much. But I'm gonna try to recreate the brows I did. They were such a really pretty, unique shape, and I haven't been able to recreate that since then. So hopefully I can try to recreate it now. The Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid eyeliner. Basically, I'm creating like a little inner corner wing and connecting it with the brow line that we had just created. Adding a little bit of white eyeshadow kind of like around the inner areas of the eye, just kind of lighten it up a bit. Okay, so next I'm going to do my contour. I'm going to be using the gray from the palette. I really like it because it's a really cool one. Also, I'm wearing like my white foundation, so I really don't want much color on my face. I kind of want to keep everything like grayscale, black and white. I'm using this brush set that one of my friends gave me, my pen pal gave me. I like to use this for the gray, and then, what do I use? Oh, I'm using the wrong one. I like to use this one for the gray to kind of create a thin line, and then I blend it out with a brush I've had for like a very long time. Where is it? With this little, I think it's a contour brush actually, or foundation brush. Yeah, it's a contour brush from Real Techniques. And then this one, this bigger foundation brush, I like to use for the white. Because I'm going to be contouring the gray and then kind of sculpting with the white, like along my jawline. And also I'm adding some of the white powder onto my cheekbones as well, just to make them pop out a bit more and make my face look more angular. Next, I'm creating some lines on the corners of my lips. It's kind of like going around TikTok right now. It's called siren lips. Basically, you make your lips look sharp and angular. So I'm going to be doing that with liquid liner, just creating two simple lines on the corners of my lips. using some black eyeliner. You obviously can use lip liner. I just don't have any. I'm just using this black liner that I have. And lining my lips. I'll be lining them all around and connecting them with the lines I had previously created. Next I'm applying this glossy liquid lipstick onto my lips. This one's from Victoria's Secret and it is in the shade Rebel. I don't know if they still carry these. I got these like years ago, probably like back in like 2017, 2018-ish. So I don't know if they still have these. I think they do, but these are my favorite. I thought I had a different one, a different color, like a darker one, but this might be my darker one. I'm not sure. But I really love these, like how dark and glossy they are, very vampy. And I'll be applying that onto my lips. Also, I had forgot to mention before doing my lips, I added some mascara and lashed it off camera. Just want to let you guys know. I forgot where these are from. These might have been Black Mage Beauty. I don't think they're even in business anymore. And the mascara is, of course, from Anastasia. So I'll be back, you guys. I'm probably gonna fix up my hair and get dressed, and I'll be back to you guys. Okay, so that's it for today's video. So if you guys enjoyed it, if you guys do recreate it, please tag me on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. I have all my social medias linked down below in the description box, and they're also linked as well on my YouTube channel page. I really like this look. Kind of gives off a raccoon vibe. I feel like that one drummer from Kiss. I can't remember his name. Was it Peter Cross? I don't remember. Very iconic, but I can't think of his name at the moment. Oh my gosh. Also very trad goth. Also, this top. I actually thrifted this top. I'll probably have more about it in a previous video. The reason why I'm doing my makeup was to model this, and then I was like, well, might as well film a makeup tutorial, and then we wanted to film a makeup tutorial for this specific look anyway, so here we are. My first makeup tutorial in a while, like almost a year already, you guys. Oh my gosh. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I made these spiderweb chain armor, shoulder armor things, I'm not sure what the title yet or call them, but if you guys want to see how I made this, go check out my previous video. I'll have it linked down below in the description box as well. It'll be up on my channel, and I'll probably put a card up here so that way you guys can click on it. But yeah, I think it looked really cute. This top felt really it just needed something on the shoulders. Like I kind of like the cold shoulder look, but it just needed a little something, a little more oomph, a little more pizzazz, you know. Yeah, I think this is one of my favorite makeup looks to do. I really like it. It's really dramatic. And it's weird because like after like doing it at first, like I can kind of see like the liner on my nose. Like it just makes my nose, like it just brings more attention. It just brings more like attention to my nose. Like my eyes just see it, you know, and it's just crazy. I wanted to wear my white contacts with this like in my original photo, but one of them was dried out, so I need to let it soak for a while before I even put it on. I'm just not gonna risk putting it on right now. So yeah, so make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you guys do stick around to subscribe to my channel because I will be posting a bunch of really cool Halloween videos coming up for September and October. I'm just posting kind of like goth related content at the moment. I guess a little spooky stuff since it's already September. So yeah, so that'll be it for today's video. So I hope you guys have a safe, wonderful, and spooky day. Bye guys!